The CPU serves as the brain of your PC. If it overheats, it throttles, causing your performance to tank. A good AIO liquid cooler keeps temperatures low, noise down, and your processor running at full speed. But with so many options, which one actually performs? I have tested the best AIO coolers of 2026 to find out which ones deliver the best cooling, quietest operation, and easiest installation. Let's get into it. The Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 Pro is the top choice for enthusiasts seeking maximum cooling at an affordable price. Arctic is known for value, and this cooler delivers exceptional thermal performance that rivals coolers costing significantly more. The thicker-than-standard radiator provides more surface area for heat dissipation, and the push-pull fan configuration moves more air through the fins. The VRM fan on the pump head actively cools your motherboard's voltage regulators, a thoughtful touch that most AIOs ignore. The PWM controlled pump and fans keep noise levels reasonable even under load. The installation is straightforward with support for the latest Intel and AMD sockets. For builders who want top-tier cooling performance at a reasonable price, this is the best choice. Check the link in the description below. The Thermalright Grand Vision is the best AIO for users who want a customizable LCD screen and excellent cooling performance. This cooler features a large, vibrant LCD display on the pump head that shows CPU temperature, fan speeds, custom animations, or system stats. The software is intuitive and easy to use, with plenty of customization options. The cooling performance is robust, effortlessly managing high TDP processors. The fans are quiet at idle and reasonable under load, with daisy-chained cabling that makes installation cleaner. The included RGB lighting syncs with major motherboard brands. For builders who want to monitor their system at a glance or add some personality to their PC, this is the best option. Grab yours through the link in the description below. The ID Cooling FX360INF is the best budget AIO for users who want liquid cooling performance without spending a fortune. This cooler delivers impressive thermal performance for its price, handling mid to high range processors with ease. The triple fan configuration provides plenty of airflow through the radiator, and the fans are quieter than many budget competitors. The pump is reliable and reasonably quiet, with no annoying whine or vibration. The ARGB lighting is vibrant and customizable, adding flair to your build. The installation is straightforward with support for both Intel and AMD sockets. The build quality is decent for the price, with a durable radiator and braided tubing. For budget-conscious builders, first-time liquid cooling users, or anyone who wants AIO performance without spending much, this is the smart choice. I have linked the ID Cooling FX360INF down in the description. The Silverstone Ice Mist 360 is the most innovative AIO for users who want customizable cooling and unique features. This cooler features modular fans that clip onto the radiator without tools, making cleaning and fan replacement incredibly easy. The pump head includes a small LCD screen for temperature monitoring. The cooling performance is excellent, handling high-end processors with ease. The fans are quiet and efficient, with daisy-chained cabling that reduces cable clutter. The RGB lighting is customizable and looks great. The modular design means you can swap fans for different colors or performance levels without removing the radiator. For PC enthusiasts who love to tinker and customize their builds, this is the most unique and user-friendly AIO available. Check the link in the description below. The Lee & Galahad 2LCD 280 is the best compact AIO for users who need a 280mm radiator for smaller cases. The 280mm size fits in many mid-tower and small form factor cases, where 360mm coolers will not. The cooling performance is impressive for the size, handling high-end processors with ease thanks to the high static pressure fans. The LCD screen on the pump head is bright and sharp, showing system stats, custom images, or animations. The software is clean and easy to use. The fans are quiet and efficient, with daisy-chained cabling that reduces cable clutter. The build quality is excellent, with a durable radiator and braided tubing. For builders with space constraints who still want an LCD screen and excellent cooling, this is the best option. I have linked the Lee Galahad 2LCD 280 down in the description for you. That wraps up the best AIO coolers for 2026. Whether you want the high-performance value of the Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 Pro, the customizable LCD of the Thermalright Grand Vision, or the innovative modular design of the Silverstone Ice Mist, every link is waiting in the description below. If this helped you keep your CPU cool and quiet, hit that subscribe button for more honest PC hardware breakdowns, and I will see you in the next one.